Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. We're so happy you're here.
Today's topic is, why is it important to learn English?
Oh, I love this topic because English has helped me in so many ways.
Same here. And if you're learning English right now, don't worry. This episode is for you.
Exactly. We're not teachers. We're just two friends having a conversation. So, let's get started.
Leo, let me ask you something. Do you think everyone needs to learn English?
Not everyone, but I think it can make life much easier.
Really? How?
Well, think about the internet. Most videos, most websites, most online courses, they're in English. When you know English, a whole new world opens up.
That's true. I remember searching for something once. There were only a few results in my language. Then I searched in English, and suddenly thousands of helpful videos appeared.
Exactly. It's like unlocking a secret level in a game.
Here's another question. What if someone loves traveling? Does English help?
Oh, definitely. Imagine you're in another country. You need directions or you want to order food. English can really help.
Wait, have you ever been in that situation?
Yes. I was on vacation once. I couldn't find my hotel. I asked a stranger in English. He smiled, helped me, and even recommended a great restaurant.
Nice. So English helped you twice. You found your hotel and good food.
Exactly. The food was actually the best part.
People also say English helps you get better jobs. Do you agree?
I do. Many companies look for people who can speak English, especially international companies.
That's true. Even during online job interviews, English can be a big advantage.
And let's be honest, seeing fluent in English on your resume feels pretty good.
It definitely does.
Can I confess something? I started learning English because of movies.
Seriously? Not school?
Sorry, teachers. Movies were more fun.
Same here. At first, I needed subtitles. Now, sometimes I forget they're even there.
That's the best feeling. When you understand a joke without reading the subtitles.
You feel like a genius. Here's something people don't always think about. English can help you make friends from different countries.
That's true. Online games, social media, travel. English connects people.
I once talked to someone from Brazil. We didn't speak the same native language, but we both knew English, so we had a great conversation.
That's amazing. One language, two different countries, new friendship.
Doctor. Oh, wait. We don't have a doctor today.
No doctor, just us.
Okay, then. Let me ask you. What if someone is 30 or 40 or even 60? Is it too late to learn English?
Absolutely not. People learn new languages at every age. The secret isn't age, it's consistency.
Exactly. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Small steps. Every day. That's how progress happens.
I think this is the biggest problem. People are afraid to make mistakes.
Oh, I've made hundreds of mistakes. Maybe thousands.
Me too. And guess what? We're still learning.
Exactly. Nobody speaks perfectly on day one. Kids don't. Adults don't. Nobody does.
Mistakes aren't failures. They're part of learning.
Actually, every mistake teaches you something new.
So, why should someone learn English? Not because it's perfect, not because everyone else is doing it, but because it opens doors to knowledge, to jobs, to travel, to friendships, and to new opportunities.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep practicing. One new word today, another tomorrow, one conversation at a time. That's enough.
That's all for today's episode. We hope this conversation inspired you.
If you're learning English, don't give up. Keep going. You're doing better than you think.
We'd love to know. Why are you learning English? Tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Thank you so much for listening. We truly appreciate every one of you. We love you all. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Hand waving.